Hello, this is a Petra Kuch about plastic water bottles by Tori, Annabelle, and Trishala. We will be telling you about how making and using plastic water bottles affects the environment, how it affects us and our health, and what the animals are that it affects. Recycle plastic water bottles and dispose of them properly. I hope you enjoy our presentation. 30 billion plastic water bottles are empty. That means for a lifetime of about 85 years, each person discards about 1 billion a year. That's a lot of empty of plastic water bottles a year.
There are a lot of animals affected when we extract materials. We need to make plastic water bottles. For example, marine and fish are affected when we extract oil from the bottom of the sea. The birds are affected by fossil fuel extraction.
American people use Africa as a source for extraction, which takes away the benefits of mining and other resource industries for African people. Poor people continue to pay for the loss of crude oil, the losses they go through in environmental services, and how the environment gets destroyed.
1/4 of a bottle of oil is used to make one 500 milliliter plastic water bottle. That means we need one bottle to make 4 500 milliliter plastic water bottles. So if you want to make one plastic water bottle, you need about 1/4 of a bottle of oil.
In the production stage, a lot of greenhouse gases are created. The making of the plastic water bottles is contributing to global warming, which is melting the ice caps in Antarctica and the Arctic. Birds are affected by smoke coming from factories. The pollution is making some polar bears fur greenish-bluish.
Bottled water companies and environmentalists aren't the best of friends right now because the plastic water bottles aren't the best thing for the environment, and environmentalists are mad at the companies. Recyclers and company workers are enemies too because when you make plastic water bottles, the companies don't have to make them and the workers don't earn very much money. 1 billion plastic water bottles are being moved and transported in 1 week on ships, trains, and trucks in the US alone. That means that in a month, 4 billion plastic water bottles are being moved and transported.
In the distribution stage, there are a few problems which includes BPA. BPA is found in plastic water bottles, which may cause heart problems. Luckily, America banned BPA. It has potential harmful effects on humans.
If we suddenly decided not to purchase Lake of Poland Springs, the water would go to waste. Shop workers don't really like environmentalists because if environmentalists don't buy plastic water bottles, they won't sell and the shop workers won't get very much money.
This is the U.S. consumption rate of plastic water bottles from 1973 to 2003. You can see that the use of plastic water bottles has increased from 20 to 123 in 30 years. Studies found that by exposed to BPA early in pregnancy may cause fertility defect. Hot air makes BPA exposed even more. And some drinking water contains drugs from the plastic water bottles.
77% do not believe that plastic water bottles are safer and cleaner than filtered tap water. Pregnant ladies are rivals with plastic water bottles because it could do some bad things to their babies. In Australia, only 30% of plastic water bottles are recycled. In some other places, only 90% is not recycled. That means in some places they don't really recycle a lot.
Seven million tons of plastic waste is thrown into the ocean, which takes up twice the size of Texas. And we are also destroying habitats. Some animals get mistaken and eat the waste.
Marine animals don't like plastic water bottles because when we throw the plastic water bottles into the ocean, the marine animals mistake them for food and eat them and die. Some other animals eat them and they either die of plastic poisoning or the blockage in the digestive system. Some marine animals get mistaken and eat the plastic water bottles. They either get plastic poisoning or blockage in their digestive system and could get sick or die. Then they could get extinct and we would never see them again.
We said in the beginning that you should recycle plastic water bottles and dispose of them properly. But we didn't say you shouldn't stop using them because no one will listen to us.
You can filter, use refillable designer bottles, vending machine water, drinking, and pulverizing. In Amsterdam, there is a non-profit empty blue plastic water bottle, and the buyers have to fill the plastic water bottles with tap water. These are the places we got our information from for the plastic water bottles. These also are picture sources. Our pictures are mostly from Comfite and Flickr. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.